السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. And today we are going to learn Surah An-Nasr. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So the first word is إذا. There is zal sound after fatha, alif is coming. We will make this z sound longer. إذا, and after fatha, alif is coming, and there is big mud sign on it. So we will make really big 5 seconds longer jim sound. جاء. You can see. So the first word will be إذا جاء. Then Sod is coming. So Noon will be connected with Sod. Nas. And this is the word Allah. Before Allah, the letter Ra is having Dhamma. We will make the Lam of Allah bold. Rullahi. So this word will be Nasrullahi. Wa will be connected with Lam. Wal. Fa goes to Ta, and we will stop on this Ha. So this Dhamma will be converted into Sukun. Fath. Instead of Fathu, we will just say Fath. So the first ayah will be like إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح. Okay, Ra sound will be bold. Wara I. Wara I. That will be connected with Noon. So this Noon is having Shadda. We will do Gunna sound, nasal sound there, and make the Noon sound longer because of Alif is followed by Fatha. Tannasa. Okay, so this word will be Wara'aytannasa. S sound will be whistling because it's representing the seen sound. The Dal sound will be echo. You will connect Ya with Dal. Yad. We make the Lam sound longer. Lu. So this word will be Yadkhuluna. Yadkhuluna. Make the Fa sound longer. After Kasra, Ya is coming. Fi. Dal sound will be elongated because after Kasra, Ya comes. The. And this Noon will be connected with the Lam of Allah. But before the word Allah, Kasra is coming. So this Lam of Allah will be light. Nillahi. Nillahi. So whenever we will stop on two fathas, we will read one fatha and make the sound longer. So afwaja, after fatha alif is coming, so this wow sound will be longer as well. Afwaja. So wara'aitan nasa yadkhuluna في دين الله أفواجا. The last ayah, sin will be mixed up with ba. Fasabbih. Ha will be connected with the previous letter ba. Fasabbih. Ha will be connected with meme, and the first letter is ba with kasra. Ba kasra B. Ha will be connected with mim. Bihamdi. Bihamdi. Ra sound will be bold because it's coming with fatha on it. We connect ra with ba. Rabbika. Rabbika. We will connect waw with sin. This alif will be silent. Was. Ta goes to ghain. Ta. Ra sound will be light because it's coming after kasra. Fir. Fir. Who. So you can see there is no who sound because this the small jim is coming, which is representing this stop sign. So if we will stop on this ha, so instead of fir who, we will say just fir. So that's why if you will not stop here, it's going to be fir who. You can see this small inverted comma there. Then hamza goes to noon. We will do gunna because noon comes with shadda. Hamza with kasra inna. After dhamma waw comes hu. Innahu. Kaf sound will be longer. Kana. Ta will be connected with wow. Tawwaba. Tawwaba. Okay, I will read the whole surah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه كان توابا. Okay, inshallah we will stop here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.